Hello and welcome to this video. This is a quick look at the new version of Action Recorder, that I currently use to record all my gameplay. Now, as you can see, this is recording straight on the desktop, so that's my current recording that I'm recording right at the moment, and this is version 2.0.70. Yeah, obviously it's licensed. That's my license. Right. So there's a few little bit of differences from the previous version, and as you can see, if you're familiar with this program, it looks dramatically more modern. You still have the same features, as in you've got the game. You've got your game recording, you've got your desktop recording, which is now called active screen. You've got your section screen recording, and you've got a new feature on here, which is application recording. So if you wanted to record a specific application on the screen, you can just click that, and you will see an option down here where it will be able to record, where you'll be able to go down to the drop menu, and you'll be able to record down here somewhere, and you'll be able to record your own that specific application. Now, at the moment, I can't do that because I'm using this to record. So if I do that, it'll end up recording. And yeah, anyway, this is your live stream feature. As you can see, it's not connected as per such for live stream, but there's all the this is all the settings for it. So you can do 240p. 360p, 480p, 720p, and obviously high def 1080p. And you can also stream straight to desktop, which you've been able to do before, and also auto reconnect if your stream gets suddenly disconnected through your internet access, or through anything that happens on, say, like YouTube or Twitter or Twitch, anything that happens to that site, so you can automatically reconnect on it. This is the recording thing. So you've got your WAV format, you've got your MP4 audio. I don't really use this feature that often. I've used it a couple of times, but I don't really use this because I normally record all my audio when I'm actually recording the video, so it's more fluent, it's more live, and it's more rough in that sense. And then you've got your benchmarks, which is very important if you want to benchmark your system, so you can see how it all performs when it records. You've also got your screenshots, so there's 2 screenshots, and there's all my little screenshots that I've edited. And also you've got your settings, so you've got your general settings, so there's all your settings. You've got application window always at the top, so this is the application window. Automatically check for updates, I'm always have that checked, that ticked. Start application minimize to tray, I don't usually have that enabled. What that basically means is when your system starts up, it automatically starts up the Action program, and in some cases it can prevent, or can it can prevent your system from starting up more quickly. So I usually don't have that enabled, and usually have it enabled myself manually. Hide Action window on desktop recording to start. Yep. Show Action window when recording desktop is finished. That's a good thing to have, but if you're doing game recordings, it's not really a necessity to have, but you can always have that. And run action on start, that's more what I'm talking about when that them two features are more or less the same. So that runs at the start of your system boot up, and that minimizes it upon start of the application. So yeah, anyway, this is your quality, your video quality, sorry. So I've set it at normal, but you can set it at high, ultra. I usually just leave it to normal. It's usually quite alright. Bitrate 100% at MP4, and you've got input range 0 to 255, which is the it's the frames per second. So it's you know, it's up to 255 frames per second. So it's more than adequate, really. Use multi-core recording. So if you've got a CPU like mine, which has got 8 cores, yeah, it's got 8 cores, but it's more like a 4-core thing. So it's an AMD processor. So that uses multi-core recording. Uses more your cores when you're recording your videos. Allow recording mouse cursor, so that's this little thing that's twiddling around on the screen if you can see it. Visualize mouse clicks, so yeah, you can visualize. So if you're taking a tutorial like this one, you can click that and it'll visualize the mouse clicks. Force 30 bpp on voice recording, so it's 30 bits per second, I think that is. So it's just to force a certain quality of video on it. I'm not 100% certain now how it all works out. Yeah. Now this is new. Graphic overlay. Now what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and put a graphic overlay on all my videos. Now you can click that, so you can say, right, well, I want a graphic overlay. So you go to your hard drive, you go to you go to that. No, you don't go to that. You go to that, and then you go to your important, and then you can click any one of these to click which one you want, and then it's all orientation. So you've got top left, centered, top right, bottom centered, bottom left, and centered. Simple. The webcams, I don't currently own a webcam, not a good quality one anyway. I am going to get a webcam, so this will be a feature that I'll be using pretty soon. There's all your settings for your webcam, so I'll be doing that pretty soon. Right, record sound, record system sound, so that's all this like beeps and bleeps you can record, and record multi-channel audio recording. So you can allow multi-channel audio recording. So that's all that. Yep. The bitrate, that's fine. That's my microphone device. So it's the headset microphone. It's a Razer headset, and this is all the settings for it. So it's so you can customize this as you want. And I've hid the HUD in this, so hopefully it won't show up, but it's round here if you can see when you record. But you can set it at different orientations, different parts of the screen. And the last one, this one is just the hardware accelerators. So it's AMD APP app. that's because I've got an AMD processor and an AMD graphics card, which I am gonna upgrade to the my graphics card. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna pick, but there's various different ones that I'm gonna choose from. That I'm actually looking at the moment, and looking to extend the system, upgrade the system, and that is that's my export root directory. And finally, last but not least, it is your hotkeys. Now, these are very, very, very good to sometimes customize. Like, some games use all the F keys, so certain F keys will cause you to save, or cause you to reload the game, or anything like that. So you just customize these however you see fit. I've got them at the default settings. They serve more or less. You've got all these, so yeah. If you want, you can pause the video and just have a look at all the different things on there. Right, so that's a quick look at the Action recording, Mirillis Action, and that's it again. So it's the 2.0.7.0. This is a full paid program, and I think it retails now at about £30, but it is well decent to have. It's a well important program. It's one of the programs that I use vast amount of my my recordings on. Use it for my recordings. There's only a few games that I'm having slight trouble recording, like the new Doom. It just won't record or through either of these Dooms, the BFG edition or the new Doom one, but it will record 90% of all the programs, the apps, or anything that you're running. And if it doesn't specifically support it in game mode, you can just use the active screen, or desktop screen as it used to be called, to record it straight from as you're playing it on a desk, like this, and you can it'll just record it as you go along. Right, anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the Mirillis Action recorder. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye for now. Bye.